But we must consider that it is a work of fiction and not a fact file. Children, fiction means something imaginary out of the world. So this story seems to be an imaginary world, but it's not a fact file, it's not a true file. Given below is a synopsis, an outline of its basic story. So William, his wife Elizabeth, and their children had been traveling in a ship when the ship was caught in a great storm. So, children, William, his wife, and his children all were traveling by a ship, and suddenly their ship was caught in a great storm. Here, had been traveling is the past perfect continuous tense. The other passengers evacuated without them. Evacuated means escaped or left. So the other passengers in the ship, they left this William and his family in the ship, and they escaped themselves from this situation. William and his family, including the young children Fritz, Ernest, Jack, and Franz, were left to survive alone. And then, when the other passengers on the ship, they evacuated from the ship, they saved their life and went away from the ship, William and his family, including his four sons, Fritz, Ernest, Jack, and Franz, were left to survive alone on the ship. See your children, young children. So, children is so how were the children? The children of William were young. Young is the adjective which is used over here, and the noun form of young is youth. They weathered the great storm waiting in the ship's hold. So the meaning of weathered here is survive or endure. So William and his family, they survived, they endured this great storm while waiting in the ship's hold. The meaning of the hold is a small space in the ship which is kept for cargo. The ship survived the night, and the family found themselves within the sight of a tropical desert island. Now, after some time, the storm stopped, and therefore the ship and the people in the ship were survived that night. And the family, they saw a sight of tropical desert island. The next morning, they decided to get to the island they could see beyond the reef. The meaning of reef is rocks or sand which is close to the surface of the sea. So in the morning, in the daylight, this family saw beyond the reef there was an island, and so they all decided to wait on this, to stay on this island. With much effort, they constructed a vessel out of tubs. So, children, here the meaning of vessel is boat. Okay, now vessel here is used as a homograph. You know, vessel are of two types. Here, as we studied in this lesson, the meaning of vessel is boat over here, whereas the another vessel word is used for the equipments or the things which are used for cooking purpose. So, with great effort, the family members, they constructed a vessel, means a small boat, out of the tubs. After they filled the tubs with the food and ammunition and all other articles of value they could safely carry, they roved towards the island. So they filled these tubs along with the all essential things which they need to survive. They filled it with food, they filled it with ammunition. Your ammunition means arms and equipments. So they filled all these articles of value which would keep them safe and survived, and all of them together rode towards the